Hi everyone, hope you guys are good today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you guys. Today I'm going to be sharing this yummy pancake with you guys. And we're going to be using 1 kg of all-purpose flour. And I'm using some eggs, butter, salt, vanilla extract, and baking powder. And I'm using powdered milk and liquid milk as well, brown sugar, cinnamon, and nutmeg. And when it's ready, we're going to be enjoying it with some syrup and powdered sugar, strawberry, and grapes. And this is the pan I'm going to be using special for pancake. So now I'm gonna start. I just break my eggs. I just poured it in my bowl. Added the vanilla extract. Put it together. Poured in my melted milk. I melted this milk in the microwave, so let it cool down. Pour it in. Now my milk is going in. That's the liquid milk. Now I'm gonna pour my baking powder. I'm going to sieve it in. My powdered milk as well, and the sugar. You can use white sugar if that is what you have or what you like. But I like using brown sugar. Sometimes I use white sugar also. I just sieve it in, so put it together. Just whisk, 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 and add the salt. That salt will just balance it all. Nutmeg and cinnamon. Now I'm going to sieve my flour in. I'm doing it in little batches so that I don't make mess in my surface. So if you've not tried this recipe, just try it. It's so yummy and children love it. It's so nice. And that is the last batch of the flour. So if your butter is still very thick, you just add liquid milk to it. And that is it, just the way I want it. Now we're going to start by frying our pancake. Just add drops of oil to your pan and I spread it in and pour in some butter. And let it cook 1 minute or less, depends on how high your heat is, and just flip it and bring it out after 1 minute or less. Then pancake is ready. So I'm gonna do another one for you to see. Pour in your butter, little bit of oil in your pan. One minute thereabout, you flip it. That is it. So I'm going to repeat it till everything is finished, till I finish frying everything. See, that is my pancake. It's ready. Now we're gonna eat. Sweet, 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 sweet evening. Just spread in my syrup and I'm gonna roll it. I can't wait to taste this. Kitchen is just smelly, very yummy. I'm gonna spread the sugar in. That's powdered sugar. Then I'm going to add my grapes and my strawberry. Then sprinkle some powdered sugar on it again, and food is ready. That is it. And thank you so much for joining me. I hope I make it as easy as possible for you guys, and I hope you guys will try it. See you in my next video. Bye.